Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY skin brightening body polish. Let's measure our ingredient. We need 150 grams of white sugar. You can choose to use brown sugar. This sugar is going to help exfoliate our skin. Do you know sugar contains glycolic acid, which is very good for exfoliating our skin by removing the dead skin cells, and our skin will become smooth and clear. We will also use 10 grams of chamomile powder. Chamomile contains a lot of antioxidant that can help lighten and clear dark spots and blemishes. Also, we will use 50 grams of raw honey. Raw honey can help clear acne skin and remove acne scar and dark spots, and raw honey is a natural preservative. We are going to use 100 grams of sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is very good for skin moisturizing, and it really penetrates in skin very well. So stir your mixture very well. Now we have these three ingredients. That is our sugar, our honey, our chamomile, and our oil is 4 ingredients rather. You stir to make sure everything mixes very well. What is body polish? Body polish helps exfoliate our skin, remove dead skin cells, clear blemishes, and make our skin look smooth. We will add 20 drops of rosemary essential oil, which is very good for blemishes, acne skin rashes, and it can also brighten the skin. So we are using 15 drops of tea tree essential oil, which also good for eczema, acne skin, and can remove rashes. Stir this mixture together very well. Make sure you stir everything together. You can choose to use lavender essential oil, orange essential oil. So this body polish is really going to help brighten our skin because the ingredient we use in it is good for skin brightening too. Next, store it in a clean sanitized container. Make sure you sanitize your container very well because this doesn't contain preservative. Sugar and honey is a natural preservative. That's the reason why I didn't add preservative to it. And most time, product that doesn't contain water does not contaminate. It's only contaminate when water come into contact. So make sure that anytime you are using your scrub, don't let water get into the container. It contains the main body scrub. How do we use body scrub? Always rinse your body with warm water. Take a little and scrub your body or any part of your body by using a circular motion, and wait for at least 5 minutes so that the ingredients will work and you rinse it off. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.